say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? That's right, no burping. I know you won't disappoint me.
What?
I mean, Bart, are you burping again?
Maybe.
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
It's fun.
It's crude. It's vulgar. It's impolite. And
Honey, good.
in this household.
Man, this is so slow. Steady, boys. Easy there. Whoa, little to the left.
You children are very, very naughty today. Your father and I are quite disappointed in the three of you.
This is absolutely the last funeral we ever take you kids to.
Aw, come on, man.
As soon as I conquer the world, I will pay you. Some nerve promising what you ain't got. We've been had. Just wait a minute. Just listen to me.
Take this, you bad